Hi student, today I am going to the reasoning chapter number 17, problem on ages second. Here the first question is given: the age of the father 3 years ago was 7 times the age of son. So I am taking that f is the age at present time. So here 3 years before ago, 3 years back, it becomes f minus 3, and that is equal to the 7 times of the age of son. So s representing here son, age of son. So 7 times of son. Now after solving this equation, f is equals to 7s plus 3. Now going to the next line of the question. Question is saying at present the father's age is 5 times that of his son. So at present, that means that time the age was f minus 3. At present we are going to plus 3, so it becomes f, and also we have to add 3 in s, so it becomes s plus 3. And question is saying that father's age is 5 times of the age of son at present time. So s plus 3 is the present age. So it is f equals to the 5s plus 3. Now multiplying, so f is equals to the 5s plus 15. Now we have to place that this is f is equals to 7s plus 3. Here f is equals to 5s plus 15. Both must be equal. So 7s plus 3 is equals to the 5s plus 15. Now we have to solve 5s minus 7s minus 5s, and here 15 minus 3. So it becomes 2s is equals to 12. So s is equals to 6. Now present age of the father. So present age of the father is given from this equation. So f is equals to the 5 into 6. 6 is the value of s plus 15. So it becomes 30 plus 15, that means 45 years. And question also asking about the age, present age of the son. So present age of the son we have taken here s plus 3. So as s is equals to 6, so 6 plus 3, that equals to the 9. So age of the son becomes 9 years. Now going to the question number 2. 10 years ago, A was half of the B in age. So A and B, that age are taken at the 10 years ago. That means 10 years back. Let's consider that 10 years back the age was A and B. So according to question, A is equals to the half of the B. So here after cross multiplying, here 2A becomes 2A is equals to the B. But now we are going to the after 10 years, that means present age, because this was the condition for the 10 years back. So this time we have taken the after 10 years. So it becomes A plus 10 and B plus 10. The ratio is given 3:4. After solving, we are getting that 2A is equals to 10. So in that condition we are getting here A is equals to 5, and so B is equals to 10, because B is double of the A. So B becomes 10. So A equals to 5, B becomes 10. Now question is asking that sum of present ages. So these are the present ages. So A plus 10 and B plus 10. Now A plus 10, we have to place the value of A. 5 plus 10, 15, and 10 plus 10, 20. So sum becomes the 35. So here answer will be the 35 years. Now going to the question number 3. The sum of the ages of the son and father is 56 years. So simply we have taken the here the father is f and son is s. So f plus s is equals to the 56. Now going to the after 4 years. So after 4 years father's age become f plus 4, and question is saying that it is 3 times of the age of the son that time. So age of the son that time will be s plus 4, and its 3 times is equals to the father's age. So f plus 4 is equals to the 3s plus 12, and now it becomes f minus 3s is equals to the 12 minus 4, it becomes 8. This is the equation first. Second, so now we are going to subtract the equation first from this. So we have written the equation first again, and minus I am showing that we are going to subtract. After subtraction we are getting that s is equals to the 12 years. So here the final answer is that what is the age of the son? So age of the son becomes 12 years. But now here question is asking that what is the age of the son? Which time? That is the age s is given for that situation, that condition, that taken f or s as it is. But question is asking the present age. That means present age becomes the 12 plus 4. So it becomes the 16 years. So here I am going to check that here age becomes the 16 years. If question, here the question data is not clear, but we have to write down the answer according to that. What is the age of the son? So age becomes 12 years. Okay. Now going to the question number 4. In the question number 4, it is given that the ratio of the ages of the father and son at present is 3:4, 3:1. So after solving this, we can get this equation. F is equals to 3s. 4 years ago, so we have to go f minus 4 and s minus 4, and the ratio is given 4:1. After solving this, we are getting the s is equals to 12. So that means the age of the son becomes 12 years. So that by this condition, if we are going to place the value, so father's age becomes 36 years. So son's age will be 12 years and father's age becomes 36 years. Now going to the question number 5. Again question is saying that at present the age of the father is 5 times that of the age of his son. So f is equals to the 5s. After 3 years, so f becomes f plus 3 and s becomes s plus 3, and according to question is saying that after 3 years father's age, this is the father's age, and it is equal to the 4 times of the son's present age. So after 3 years son's age is given s plus 3. Now f plus 3 is equals to the 4s plus 12. After solving this, as we know that f is equals to 5s given, so place the value. So 5s plus 3 is equals to the 4s plus 12. 5s minus 4s, it becomes the s, and here 12 minus 3 becomes the 9. So s is equals to 9 years. That means the age of the son becomes 9 years. So age of the father becomes 5 into s, and it means 5 into 9. So it becomes the 45 years. Now going to the question number 6. Question number 6 is given in your book. That is the repeat question number of the 3. The same questions, both the same questions are given. Okay. So you have to do it by self. Thank you.